Welcome to a new video tutorial. Hi, how are you? I'm Rafael. I'm going to show you how to work with Reaper projects. As you know, many productions right now are working with Reaper. They send you marks for lights, video, lasers, you know what I mean. So I'm going to show you how to link them to Resolume fast and easy using OSC, our software. So right click on the marks here in the project file, and we are going to go to Region Marker Manager with the marker selected because we want to export the markers only. We go to options and choose export region markers, and we create a CSV file in CSV format. Okay, and then we go to OSC. In OSC, we can import the marks from the CSV file. We create a new track, we expand the timeline. On the timeline, we put right click, and we're going to import markers from CSV. We select the file, and automatically OSC is designed to work with Reaper format. It's going to import it straight from Reaper. If you want to change which the column is from the address or the timing, you can change it here. And you can import the markers as regular markers that do nothing, are only information, do whatever you want, or you can import them as command markers. As you know, command markers and Vector 2 are the way to link marks directly to Resolume and to control Resolume by OSC. So I'm going to import them as command markers. Okay, and boom, voila, all my marks are imported here in OSC. I can load my audio file because I can play the audio file to the PA inside OSC and link in and control Resolume. Well, I'm going to Resolume. In Resolume, I got a clean project. It's empty. There's nothing. The command markers create a column in Resolume where you can put your content. Do it quick and easy. So as many marks as I have in my timeline can be as many columns on Resolume. So I'm going to create my columns to create these marks using Command T or Control T, depends on Windows or Mac. And with shortcut, I can create as many columns as needed. In this project, I got around 70 marks here. And then I just put right click, sync your markers, and OSC asks me when it finds duplicated names. It asks if I want to recall them because I can use the same content, for example, in a production and recall the same content, or I can auto-rename it if I want different content. I'm going to use recall, okay. And OSC asks me which column I want to start. I can start in any column I want to program these marks. I'm going to start in column 1, okay, and boom. All the marks are already connected to Resolume. So right now I'm going to bring some content I have here on the other deck. I'm going to paste it, and that's it. I'm going to activate my track. I'm in file mode. I'm going to hit play, and boom, I got my content linked to Resolume. And that's it. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.